What's up, hustlers? Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today, we're diving into 15 practical pieces of advice for everyone under 30 trying to build something real. No BS, just straight up game from someone who's been in the trenches. If you're ready to level up your life, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get after it.
Look, being under 30, you're gonna see a lot of noise, gossip, drama, people chasing clout. Tune it out. Winners focus on winning. That means putting in the hours, grinding when others are sleeping, and understanding that success takes time. Embrace the journey, learn from every setback, and remember, the real ones stay focused on their own lane. Don't get caught up comparing yourself to others. Stay patient, stay hungry, and keep your eyes on the prize.
Listen, you're young. You've got time. Experiment. The real world isn't about finding the perfect recipe for success. It's about figuring out what ingredients you even like working with. That means trying new things, failing fast, and learning what you're good at. The more you experiment, the more data points you collect about yourself. Embrace the learning curve, put in the reps, and watch yourself level up. The journey of self-discovery is a marathon, not a sprint, so enjoy the ride.
This is huge. You're not stuck anywhere. Bad job, toxic relationship, walk away. In your 20s, you can reinvent yourself multiple times without lasting damage. Don't be afraid to cut your losses and move on to something better. Your time and energy are your most valuable assets. You have the power to design your own life, so choose wisely, and don't be afraid to make a change when you need to.
Let me tell you something. Life gets boring when it's predictable. Keep things interesting by constantly adding new chapters to your story. Move to a new city, pick up a new hobby, set a crazy goal, whatever it takes to keep things fresh and exciting. Embrace new experiences, meet new people, and never stop exploring. Look, where you live shapes your entire perspective. Before you put down roots, go explore the world. Experience different cultures, meet people from different backgrounds, and get a taste of different lifestyles. Traveling exposes you to new ideas, broadens your horizons, and helps you develop a global perspective. It's an investment in yourself that will pay dividends for years to come.
This is a big one. You can't help others if you haven't helped yourself first. Focus on building yourself up mentally, emotionally, financially. Take care of your own well-being first, and you'll be in a much stronger position to make a real difference in the world.
Listen, there are no shortcuts to success. Anyone who tells you otherwise is selling you something. Real wins come from hard work, dedication, and consistency over time. Trust the process, put in the work, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty.
Yeah, money matters. But you know what matters more? Knowing how to manage it. Learn high-income skills, build multiple streams of income, and get really good at what you do. Once you've got a solid financial foundation, then you can start thinking about investing and growing your wealth.
You want something? Ask for it. The worst thing someone can say is no. Ask for that raise, go after that opportunity, shoot your shot with that person you're crushing on. You'll be surprised at how often you get a yes simply because you had the guts to ask. Be bold, be fearless, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there.
Listen, success leaves clues. If you want to achieve your goals, you need a plan. Break down your big dreams into smaller, actionable steps. Get clear on your goals, create a strategy, and execute with precision.
You already know what to do. You've heard it all before. The real challenge is consistency. Show up every single day, even when you don't feel like it. Remember, it's not about motivation, it's about discipline. Create systems, build habits, and hold yourself accountable.
Don't get so caught up in the hustle that you forget to live. Your 20s are for exploring, experimenting, and yes, even partying. Responsibly, of course. Travel the world, try new things, and create unforgettable memories. Enjoy the ride, embrace new experiences, and don't be afraid to let loose every now and then.
Your mindset is everything. If you believe you can achieve something, you're halfway there. Cultivate a positive outlook. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, And don't let setbacks define you. Choose to see the good, focus on the positive, and watch your world transform.
Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and push you to be your best. Your 20s are a prime time to build lifelong friendships and find your tribe. People who share your values, support your dreams, and have your back no matter what. Choose wisely and cultivate relationships that lift you higher.
Real wealth isn't about material possessions. It's about freedom, security, and peace of mind. Focus on building a life you love, filled with meaningful relationships, fulfilling work, and experiences that make you come alive. True wealth is about living life on your own terms and having the resources to pursue your passions.
There you have it, my friends. 15 pieces of advice to help you crush it in your 20s and beyond. Remember, success is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes hard work, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of your goals. So get out there, hustle hard, and never give up on your dreams. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more fire content, and share this video with a friend who needs to hear this message.